Here's Atlantis. Let's see what they got new coming out. Selling decal sheets. Nice. I like that. Coming soon from Atlantis. Dig the box art. That is so cool. That's what I'm waiting on right there. Looking forward to that. What you got new coming out?
Pretty much. Lots of stuff. This is brand new. This is coming. This is new. The Willie Lay, the X17, the Blue Knight, the Nomad. Competition T Roadster is new. This is coming out. This just came out. The Kent Fuller Dragster right down here. Skyrockets coming out. Radar Picket's coming.
The Dragster and what else?
Yeah, this is Ken Fuller, the Dragster.
Oh, it's there it is.
Skyrocket.
Okay, I didn't see it in the case.
Yeah,
All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm looking forward to this funny car.
Yeah, that's coming next month. Yeah.
Next month
yeah, that's
is
the
the
Mickey Thompson Grand Am Marines car. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to
That's
that.
coming out. The Snake Dragster. That one. Yeah. Lots of stuff.
Okay.
Keeping us busy. The Bainbridge, the Star Lifter, the Pogo.
I was going to ask you, do you still have a lot of the ships? I mean, the older Aurora molds?
Not really. It wasn't many Aurora ships left.
Atlantis, guys.
Well, because I served aboard what's called an LP8.
Okay.
Right? And
Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Looking forward to all their stuff coming out.
Yeah, it's well. But I was on the old town. Same. Different number. It is.